Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how you can simply update your Instagram both on iPhone and on Android. So to get started with iPhone, so just head over to your Apple Store, just tap on it, then give it something to load, then tap on the search bar right here at the right down side of the screen. Tap on the search bar, then you have to search for Instagram if you can't find it on the home screen. So I'm searching for Instagram. So Instagram is already in the search tab. Then right here you have to check if there's every available update. Like currently mine is to be updated. So you just tap on Instagram, then tap on update. Then this will automatically install the new version of Instagram with some key features. And if it is for Android user, just head over to your Google Play Store. Just go to your menu, then navigate to Google Play Store. So just try to install it. You check if there's any available update, and if there is, just install it to your phone, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more.